Hi guys, nice to see you again and thank you for watching Cooking with an Italian. Guys, today is something super easy, quickly and always gonna be al bacio. I'm going to make is an Italian dish, tagliata di pollo. It's basically it's chicken breast with rocket and Parmesan. We need some chicken breast, salt and pepper, rocket, Parmesan, some butter, some dry rosemary. Pan is already on. Take it easy like that. Just try to chop it out like this. Like steak, you know, butterfly a little bit. This dish you can prepare like this, you can prepare in less than 10 minutes. Some oil, couple pieces of butter, and this inside. 1, 2. Now we start season. Salt, how much you like. Black pepper, if you like. I love it. Dry rosemary. If you have fresh, it's good as well. Put some garlic powder. Now guys, leave it to cook this 3.5 minutes per side. I'm gonna show you the next step. Okay guys, it's 3 minutes, turn them. And now again, I wanna add this half lemon because I like lemon. If you don't like, don't put it. A little bit more butter. And always guys, if you like this video, share it with friends if you can, subscribe on the channel and check our website cookingwithanitalia.com. Okay guys, my chicken is done. Take some rocket, already washed, how much you like. Some pepper, some salt, a touch of oil, mix everything. Just rough like that. Take your chicken, you can cut it, like this, and you can adjust on here. Parmesan, and some balsamic vinegar, of course if you like. My chicken tagliata, beautiful, smell is amazing, is this. Always guys, if you like, finger up and follow us. Ciao!